Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, after my greetings, I hope that you all are in good health and condition and you have remembered last lesson. As you know that last lesson was a chapter 3, Harakat, into many parts we finished, Alhamdulillah. But today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 4, Madda. So let's see how many harufi Madda and when there are Madda. There are the three letters of Madda, Alif Madda, Waw Madda and Ya Madda. When there is a Fatha before Alif, it becomes Alif Madda. Second, when there is a Dhamma before Waw Sakin, it becomes Waw Madda. When there is a third, when there is a Kasra before Ya Sakin, it becomes Ya Madda. So first we will describe here Alif Madda. So let's start with Ta'awuz and Tasmiyah. A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hamza, Alif, Fatha, all madda letters we will stretch a little bit for 1 second. Hamza, Alif, Fatha, Ba, Alif, Fatha, Ba, Ta, Alif, Fatha, Ta, Tha, Alif, Fatha, Tha, Jim, Alif, Fatha, Ja, Ha, Alif, Fatha, Ha, Kha, Alif, Fatha, Kha, Dal, Alif, Fatha, Da, Dal, Alif, Fatha, Da, Ra, Alif, Fatha, Ra, Za, Alif, Fatha, Za, Sin, Alif, Fatha, Sa, Shin, Alif, Fatha, Sha, Sad, Alif, Fatha, Sa, Dad, Alif, Fatha, Da, Ta, Alif, Fatha, Ta, Dha, Alif, Fatha, Dha, Ain, Alif, Fatha, A, Ghain, Alif, Fatha, Gha, Fa, Alif, Fatha, Fa, Qaf, Alif, Fatha, Qa, Kaf, Alif, Fatha, Ka, Lam, Alif, Fatha, La, Mim, Alif, Fatha, Ma, Nun, Alif, Fatha, Na, Waw, Alif, Fatha, Wa, Ha, Alif, Fatha, Ha, Ya, Alif, Fatha, Ya. It was the spelling. Now let's start with sound. A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ji, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Dha, Ra, Za, Sa, Sha, Sad, ضا طا ظا عا غا فا قا كا لا ما نا وا ها يا. الحمد لله we finished.